Hello children, welcome back to our mathematics class. Okay children, so till now whatever we have learned about the numbers, okay, that is reading, writing, okay, place values and all, we have learned it in Indian place value system children. So whatever we are doing, we have learned it in Indian place value system. So what is Indian place value system? See here, how many periods are there, how many places are there, new places we have learned, new period also we have learned. So whatever we have learned, I have written the table here. Just look at the table children. So this is Indian place value system. It is having 4 periods, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So and the places under ones period, ones, tens, hundred, thousands period, thousand, 10,000, lakhs period, lakh, 10 lakhs, and then crores period, crore and 10 crore children. Okay, 10 crore you haven't learned, but after crores, 10 crore is the place children. These two are kept under crores period. So this you all know. So this Indian place value system is mostly used in the Indian subcontinent children. That is in India and its surrounding countries. Now next one more system of writing the numbers is here children. One more place value system which we call as international place value system. This is mostly used in the Western countries, major parts of the world. This is used in major countries. Okay children. So what is that? Let us see. International place value system. So how many periods are there in this system? Ones, thousands and millions children. So here millions period is there. It's different. Okay. 3 periods. Under each period, 3 places are there. Ones period, ones, tens, hundred, thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 is there children. Okay. Then millions period, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay children. So this is how you are going to read and write the numbers in international place value system. Only 3 periods and 9 places, each period 3 places. Now if you compare these two systems children, just let us see here. First period, ones period, yes 3 places are there. Here also we have 3 places. Next period, thousands period, we have only 2 places. But here we have an international system, 3 places are kept. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, third place, lakhs, only 2 places, lakh and 10 lakhs. But here third period, millions, 3 places, million, 10 million and 100 million. Then we have fourth period, crores, crores and 10 crores. Now if you observe both the tables children, you can see here the first 5 places, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 are called as same with the same name in the international system also. Okay, they are same. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. First 5 places are written same children. Now coming to the next 4 places, they are written a different name. The names are different here. But what about the value children? Value is same. Okay, one's place value is 1 here, here also 1. Hundred's place is 100, here also 100, 1 followed by 2 zeros. Okay, same here also, lakh is there, but in place of lakh I am using here 100,000. Name is different, but the value is same. How do I write 1 lakh children? I write 1 lakh as 1 followed by 5 zeros. Okay children. In the same way, here 100,000 also written with 1 followed by 5 zeros. Then what is the difference here? The difference is in placing of the comma children. Okay, here I place the comma first after ones period, next after thousands period, because only 2 places are there. Next, coming to international system, first after 3 places, next also 3 places. So I don't put one more comma. Okay, these two numbers, although the commas are placed differently, they are called with a different name. This is called as 1 lakh, this is called as 100,000. But the value is same. Okay children, the value is same. Okay, so if you take 1 lakh rupees or 100,000 rupees, it is going to be same. The value is same here. Okay, so the next place, lakhs is called 100,000. Then 10 lakhs here it is called as million. 1 crore is called as 10 million. 10 crore is called as 100 million children. Okay, so these last 4 places, that is from 6th place, 10 till 9th place you have to be very careful children because the names are different. Okay, mainly questions will be asked under comparison. Okay children, so comparison, how the questions will be asked, let us see. Okay children, so let us see the comparison of two systems children. As I said earlier, the Indian and international place value systems are two different ways of reading and writing the numbers. Okay, but the value is going to be same here. Okay, and as I said, the first 5 places are same in both the systems, only the last next 4 places we need to be careful. Okay, see here I have written the next 4 places here children. Okay, that is from 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th places children. Okay, so 1 lakh, 100,000, 10 lakh, million, crore, 10 million, 10 crore, 100 million. Now, so in Indian system, if I write 1 lakh, if I write 1 lakh in Indian system, it is equivalent to 100,000 in international system children. 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000 in international system. Next, 1 million, let us come from this side. 1 million in international system is equivalent to 10 lakh in Indian system. 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakh. Similarly, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore in Indian system is equal to 10 million in international system. Finally, 10 crore in Indian system is equal to 100 million in international system. Okay, so these 4 places, okay, are compared. Generally, mainly questions will be based on these 4 places, comparison of the places children. So what do you call this in that system? What do you call this one in Indian system? What do you call the same in international system? So likewise questions will be asked. So these 4 places you must know. Okay children, you must learn very carefully. Okay, so this is how you compare the two systems children. Next, let us see, let us take one number and see how do we place commas in international system and how do we write its number name. Okay, see for example, okay children, 8-digit number I have taken, 8-digit number I have taken. Now let us see how to place commas first. Okay, as I said, in international system 3 places are kept under one period. So we place commas generally period wise. After one period is completed, we place the comma before next period starts. Okay, so once period, these 3 places are kept under once period. Okay, we come from the right side. Once period consists of 3 places, 3 digits after comma. Next, thousands period. Thousands period also consists of 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So these 3 places under thousands period. So I place comma after these 3 places. Next 2 places obviously they come under millions period. No comma here. They come under millions period. So this is how you should put comma in international system. Okay, now how do I read this number children? So reading, as I said, read the digits period wise. The digits which are in one period, same period, read them together along with the period name. Now see here, 47 are under 2 digits, 4 and 7 are under millions period, same period, read it together. 47 millions. Next these 3 digits are under thousands period, read them together. How do I read them together? This is nothing but 618 or 618 thousands. 618 thousands. Next, last, obviously, next last 3 digits, 520. Okay, so 47,618,520. This is how you should read the number. The same thing, you write the number name also. Okay, children? Okay, children. So, let us start exercise 1.3 based on the International Base Value System, children. So, what is the first bit here? First bit is write the number. Number you have to write here. And mark the period with commas. That is, after writing the number here, you need to mark the commas or you need to place the commas also. Okay, children. What is given here? The number is given in words. The number name is given. Okay. What is the number name? Let us read the first question. 7,246,137. This is the number name. Let us write the number further. And how to write the numbers, children? Already I told you. First, you better write the places and then write the number. Then it will be easy for you to write. So, what are the places under international system? Starting with ones, tens, hundreds. These three come under ones period. Next, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. These three come under thousands period. Next, million, 10 million, and then obviously 100 billion, children. Okay, 3 places. Okay, let us start writing now. 7 million. First, under millions period we have only 7. Single digit is there, but we have 3 places. So where I should write the 7? 7 only under millions period, children. Remaining 2 places you can leave it or you can put 0. You can put 0 or you can leave it, children. Okay. 7 under millions period. 3 places are there, but here I have only 1 digit. So I should write it here in the right side of that period. Okay. In these 3 places, last place I should utilize for that single period. Okay. 7 millions. Next, 246,000. It means under thousands. 246. As you can see, under thousands you have 3 places. So 246 is a 3-digit number. So easily you can write here 246,000. Next, coming to last ones period, 137. Again 3 digits. 3 places I have. 3 digits are there. 137. So you can write here 137. So this is the number and you need to place a comma as I said. Period wise, first ones period 3 digits, comma. Next thousands period again 3 digits, comma. So what is my number here? 7,246,137. So this is how you write the number, children. Okay. Now the same way. Okay, one more sum. Let us see here. What is that sum? Second one, 65,004,001, children. 65,004,001. Now, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Fine. So, 3 places. Now, how many millions I have? I have 65 millions. 65 is a 2-digit number. So use only 2 places which are 10 million and million. 65 million. Next, 4,000 under thousands. Only 4 is there. Single digit is there. But I have 3 places. So 4 comes under only thousands place. Remaining 10,000 0. 100,000 also 0. Okay, children, 4,000. And then last ones place, again I have 3 places, but I have only 1. Only 1, children. So 1 in ones place and the remaining places 0s. Okay, children. So now place the comma. 1, 2, 3 places. Next 1, 2, 3 places. Okay. So now again read this number and compare with your question whether you wrote correctly or not. 65,004,004 is read as 4. 4,000 and 001 is read as 1. Okay, children. So 65,04,001. So I hope you understood the first bit, writing the number and placing the comma according to international system. Okay, children. Okay, children. So let us see the second bit of this exercise 1.3. Second bit is writing in words. Again, same international system, writing in words. Now, so see the number here. This is the number given for us. Let us write the number one more time. And then write the periods, children, here. This is ones period, thousands period, millions period. Okay. So period wise I have to read the number. The same thing I have to put it in words. Now, what is this first under millions period? What is the two digits? 47. So 47 with the period name. 47 millions. 47 millions. Next, under thousands period, 3 digits, 0, 1, 2. Together you have to read as it. How do we read this 0, 1, 2 as? 12. It is read as 12. So 12 along with the period name, 1000. 12,000. 12,000. 47 million, 12,000. Last ones period. What is the 3 digits? How do I read this 3 digits? 615. 615. So 47 millions, 12,000, 615. This is how you write it words in the international system, children. The remaining sums in this exercise you can try, children. They are very easy. Thank you.